we'll guide you through how to create Streamlabs Twitch overlays. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open Streamlabs on your desktop and make sure you're logged into your account. On the left sidebar, find and click on the alerts and widgets. This is where you'll discover a variety of pre-made themes and overlays you can use. If you want to create a custom overlay, go back to the side menu and click on Editor. Here, you can see your live stream layout. To add a new overlay, click the plus icon in the Sources box. Choose Image or Media Source based on whether you want a static image or an animated overlay. Browse your computer to upload your custom graphics. To position and resize your overlay, simply drag and drop it in the preview window and use the resizing handles. You can layer multiple overlays by adding more sources and arranging them in the order you prefer. Don't forget to click the Save button to ensure all your changes are kept. Finally, go to the Settings menu and ensure your video and audio settings are optimized for the best streaming quality. You might want to run a few test streams to see how everything looks and sounds. If you need to make adjustments, you can always go back to the editor and tweak your overlays or settings as needed. With these steps, you can design a unique and professional-looking Twitch stream that stands out. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.